I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the current BIOS version so you know if an update is necessary and compatible. Once done, download the exact BIOS package for your motherboard model and verify its checksum to avoid corrupt files. Make sure you have stable power, plug into AC or a UPS, and keep battery above 50%. This prevents bricking during the flash. Now create a bootable USB or copy the BIOS file to the vendor's update tool and restart into the firmware interface to continue. You'll now perform the actual flash using the vendor-approved method, either the NOS updater or the firmware's built-in flasher, because each handles checksum and recovery differently. Before initiating, disable overclocking, XMP, and extra USB devices to reduce risk and close background apps. Start the update and monitor progress. Do not interrupt power, press reset, or remove the USB drive while flashing because that can corrupt the firmware. If the tool offers a backup or recovery option, enable it to preserve your current settings. You finish by rebooting into the firmware and confirming the reported BIOS version and that key settings persisted or were reset as intended. If the system won't post, reset CMOS or load safe defaults to recover, then reapply only necessary settings gradually to isolate issues. If the flash failed mid-process, use the motherboard recovery jumper, vendor recovery USB method, or the backup BIOS if present, because these restore a working firmware image. If recovery fails, contact vendor support for a guided repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.